My overall experience with the Lifestyle Contractor was excellent. They did what they said they were going to do, when they said they were going to do it, and at the price that they quoted.
Jane and Peter at the Lifestyle Contractor are really great to work with. They're very responsive, they stay on top of the job, and they do really, really good work.
From the first phone call to the end of the job, they were wonderful. Jane answered every question. She took control. Peter, he was on the job. He made sure everything was done. I couldn't be happier.
The process was wonderful. I never worked with any other construction person who was so involved in what I was doing and so caring and careful and making sure that we got what we needed.
The work was done completely on time, as promised, and in the way it was promised. It was the easiest thing. Working with them was a dream.
What stood out the most working with Jane and Peter was their commitment to ensuring that we were satisfied. That's not something that you see every day when you're working with contractors. They come in, they do the job, and they're done. Peter and Jane were constantly asking, what do you think? Do you like this? Do you think we should do it differently? So I appreciated the feedback that they asked of me and the fact that they really were interested in whether or not I was satisfied with the work.
It is priceless to talk to somebody that has the expertise that understands universal design, that understands ADA, and that's whether it's residential or commercial. So having that resource who can not only understand, but implement and then do the work with accountability and quality, that's everything.
I would describe Jane and Peter of the Lifestyle Contractor as professionals who take pride in their work and want to do what is best for their clients.
They are on time, they're thorough, they're thoughtful. It's everything you would want.
They are about customer service and making their clients 100% satisfied.
From the minute they came to visit with me to talk about the project, I could see they had a lot of experience, and they used that experience to help coach me through some of the decisions that I had to make, and I really appreciated that aspect of working with the Lifestyle Contractor.
You're going to get someone who understands you with accountability and managing your project from start to finish.
Things were done exactly as they said they were going to do. They were honest about it all. They told me what the pricing was going to be and why.
Good customer service, communication, and the value you receive is being able to sit back, relax, and be comfortable and know that you're being taken care of properly and things are being done the way you want.
Anytime I had a question or concern, I made a phone call, I got an answer, and we got it resolved. Most contractors, you always have some kind of an issue. We've had nothing. It was actually a pleasure working with them.
We've had the Lifestyle Contractor renovate our house for big projects and smaller projects, and we would enthusiastically recommend them for anyone wanting high quality, beautiful results.
If you're looking for a contractor that is going to be upfront and honest and fair, would be the Lifestyle Contractors.
Jane and Peter went from being the Lifestyle Contractors who enclosed Mila and I to very close friends.
They care about you and your lifestyle. They care about providing the best for you. They care about making sure you're safe.
As a realtor, as a real estate developer, I keep people who are better than me, who are smarter than me, yet are like-minded and skilled. The Lifestyle Contractor brings so much value, and I'm able to leverage that. I can't think of a better winning combination.
I would recommend a Lifestyle Contractor for basically anybody that wants to do upgrades on their house. If you have water damage, if you want to redo a kitchen or a bathroom, if you have somebody that needs help with some handicap accessible work, the Lifestyle Contractor is the contractor for you. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to anybody.
The Lifestyle Contractor, I feel comfortable and confident in making a recommendation that that's the company to go with for your work.
I highly recommend the Lifestyle Contractors if you want something done right the first time. Quality, professionalism, and done with a smile.